What if I told you time travel isn't just science fiction? Imagine a world where the boundaries of time are not fixed, where the past, present and future are all accessible. Sounds like a plot straight out of a blockbuster movie, right? But what if I told you that this isn't just a figment of our imagination? It's not just the Avengers, man. Hollywood has been hinting at this for years, planting the seeds in our minds. From Back to the Future to Doctor Who, the concept of time travel has always fascinated us. It's real and there's evidence all around us. Look at the historical artifacts that defy explanation, the mysterious ancient ruins that seem out of place and time. These aren't just coincidences, they are clues. We've got ancient anomalies, modern-day mysteries, things that just don't add up. How do we explain the advanced knowledge and technology found in ancient civilizations? It's like they had a helping hand from the future. And you know what? I think they're keeping it all under wraps. Governments, secret organizations, they all have a vested interest in keeping this knowledge hidden. Imagine the chaos if everyone knew time travel was possible. Think about it. Why are there artifacts found buried in places they just shouldn't be? Items that seem to belong to a different era entirely. It's almost as if someone has been tampering with the timeline. Technology that seems way ahead of its time. Devices and tools that shouldn't exist in the historical context they were found in. It's like finding a smartphone in the ruins of an ancient civilization. It's like someone dropped a freaking iPhone in ancient Rome. How do you explain that? These anomalies are too frequent and too precise to be mere accidents. And then there are these stories, these reports of people popping up out of nowhere, claiming to be from the future. They describe events and technologies that haven't even been conceived yet. Are they crazy? Or are they onto something we're not supposed to know about? These individuals are often dismissed as lunatics. But what if they are telling the truth? We're going deep down the rabbit hole in this one, folks. We're going to explore the evidence, the theories, and the possibilities. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. We're talking government conspiracies, secret experiments, the fabric of reality itself. What if the truth is stranger than fiction? What if the very nature of our existence is being manipulated? You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of time travel and uncover the secrets they don't want you to know. We're talking about time travel, man. The real deal. Not just some Hollywood fantasy, but the actual possibility of bending time and space. And let me tell you, the more you dig into this stuff, the weirder it gets. We're talking ancient artifacts that shouldn't exist, people claiming to be from the future, and government cover-ups that would blow your mind. I'm talking about things that make you question everything you thought you knew about reality. We're going deep down the rabbit hole on this one, folks, so buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to expose the truth that they don't want you to know. Look, people have been fascinated by time travel forever. Ancient myths, legends, stories about going back in time. It's a universal thing, man. We've all thought about it, going back and changing the past, seeing the future. And then you've got Einstein, right? The dude with the big brain. His theory of relativity blew the doors wide open, suggesting that time isn't linear, that it can be warped and manipulated. But here's the thing, what if someone figured out how to actually do it? What if time travel is already happening and we're just not in on it? That's what we're going to explore. Let's talk about the evidence, the weird stuff that makes you go, hold on, what? There's this artifact, right, called the London Hammer. It's a freaking hammer, found embedded in rock that's over 400 million years old. How's that even possible? Then you've got these ancient paintings, like some from the Renaissance, that seem to show objects that look suspiciously like laptops or smartphones. And don't even get me started on the stories of people appearing and disappearing throughout history. Like this guy, John Titor, who shows up online in the early 2000s, claiming to be a time traveler from 2046. He even posted pictures of his supposed time machine. Is it real? Fake? Who knows, man? But it's freaking weird, right? Chapter 4. Bending the rules of time. So, how does time travel even work? It's a question that has fascinated humanity for centuries, from ancient myths to modern science fiction. Well, Einstein's theory of relativity is key here. This groundbreaking theory revolutionized our understanding of time and space. It basically says that time and space are connected, like two sides of the same coin. Imagine a fabric that can be stretched and warped. And gravity, it can actually warp time. Think of a heavy object placed on a stretched sheet, causing it to bend. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. That's time dilation, man. Astronauts experience this phenomenon when they travel in space. Then you've got quantum physics, which is a whole other level of weirdness. It deals with the smallest particles in the universe and their strange behaviors. It suggests that there are multiple universes, parallel dimensions, all existing at the same time. Imagine countless versions of reality coexisting. And if we can figure out how to access these other dimensions, maybe we can jump through time too. The possibilities are mind-boggling. And then there's CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. This facility is at the forefront of exploring the fundamental particles of the universe. They've got this massive particle accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider. It's the world's largest and most powerful particle collider. Some people think they're messing with forces they don't fully understand, potentially opening up portals to other dimensions or even time itself. The implications of their experiments could be far-reaching, possibly altering our understanding of reality. The idea of bending the rules of time isn't just a fantasy. It's a scientific frontier that challenges our perception of the universe. As we continue to explore these concepts, who knows what we might discover? The future of time travel could be closer than we think. Chapter 5. Top Secret Time Travel. Now let's get into the conspiracy stuff. Because if time travel is real, do you really think the government wouldn't be all over it? There's this thing called the Philadelphia Experiment, supposedly conducted by the US Navy back in the 1940s. The story goes that they were trying to make a ship invisible to radar, but something went wrong, and the ship allegedly traveled through time. Then you've got the Montauk Project, which is like a whole other level of crazy. Rumors of psychic experiments, time portals, kids being abducted and forced to be time travelers. It's wild stuff, man. Is there any truth to it? Who knows? But the fact that these stories persist, that people are still talking about them, tells you there's something there. Something they don't want us to know. Chapter 6, Time Travel is real. So what do you think? Is time travel real? Have people from the future already walked among us? Are governments secretly experimenting with time travel technology as we speak? The evidence is out there, man. The weird artifacts, the unexplained disappearances, the laws of physics that suggest it's all possible. I think it's more than just a possibility. I think it's happening right now. And the bigger question is, what does that mean for us? What happens when we unlock the secrets of time? It's a trip, man, a total trip, and we're just starting to scratch the surface. Outro, what do you think? So, is time travel real? It's a question that has fascinated humanity for generations. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the idea of moving through time has captured our imaginations. But what if it's not just a fantasy? What if time travel is actually possible? I think it's a real possibility. Scientists have been exploring the concept for years, delving into the mysteries of the universe. Theoretical physicists have proposed various models, from wormholes to the bending of space-time, that could make time travel feasible. We've got the ancient anomalies, the modern mysteries, and the unexplained phenomena that hint at the existence of time travel. Ancient texts and artifacts sometimes depict scenes that seem out of place, as if they were glimpses into another time. And the science that suggests it could actually happen. Quantum mechanics and the theory of relativity have opened up new possibilities, challenging our understanding of time and space. Could we one day harness these principles to travel through time? I mean, we're talking about bending the fabric of reality here. It's some next-level stuff. Imagine being able to visit the past or the future, to witness historical events firsthand, or see what lies ahead. And you know what's even crazier? The possibility that time travel is already happening and we just don't know it. There are stories and accounts of people who claim to have traveled through time, often dismissed as hoaxes or delusions. The possibility that time travel is already happening and we're just not in on it. Governments, secret societies, who knows who else could be messing with time as we speak? Could there be a hidden agenda, a secret project that has unlocked the secrets of time travel and we're just not in on it? Governments, secret societies, who knows who else could be messing with time as we speak? It's enough to make you question everything, man. What do you think? It's enough to make you question everything, man. What do you think? Have you ever experienced something that made you wonder if time travel is real? Maybe a déjà vu moment that felt too real, or an encounter that seemed out of place. It's enough to make you question everything, man. What do you think? Have you seen any evidence of time travel? Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned, because we're going even deeper down the rabbit hole in the next video. Have you seen any evidence of time travel? Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned, because we're going even deeper down the rabbit hole in the next video. We're going to talk about the Mandela effect, alternate timelines, and the possibility that history isn't what we think it is. Let me know in the comments below. And stay tuned, because we're going even deeper down the rabbit hole in the next video. We're going to talk about the Mandela effect, alternate timelines, and the possibility that history isn't what we think it is. Because we're going even deeper down the rabbit hole in the next video. We're going to talk about the Mandela effect, alternate timelines, and the possibility that history isn't what we think it is. We're going to talk about the Mandela effect, alternate timelines, and the possibility that history isn't what we think it is. Could our memories be wrong, or are we experiencing shifts in reality? Join us as we explore these mind-bending concepts and the possibility that history isn't what we think it is. Could our memories be wrong, or are we experiencing shifts in reality? Join us as we explore these mind-bending concepts. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep wondering. What do you think?